My name is Alex Collins. I work for Total Industrial Air, currently working in the parts department.
I'm Dustin Krupp. I work at Total Industrial Air and I'm a service coordinator.
My name is Vincent Bartarian. I'm the service manager here at Total Industrial Air. The efficiencies started with our days to invoice after completion. We were at multiple weeks. And so with business intelligence tracking and just consistency with workflow management, we've actually got that down to sub 1 day numbers. So going from weeks to invoicing something to invoicing it in less than a day has affected our business dramatically in cash flow and our ability to advance much quicker.
Our technicians at Total Industrial Air go out and service air compressors, dryers. We do installs, piping. The scheduler side of Service Pro is super easy to use. We can schedule pretty much everyone on all of my technicians I can schedule at one time. We do a lot of planned maintenance, but then we also do get quite a bit of service calls. And we actually do a new work order. We can add comments in and it brings up things to note that we catch whenever we're at that site. It's super, super useful. That way there's a bright red exclamation point. You can't miss it. I'm getting more and more familiar with it every day. But it's probably one of the easiest things.
The old company ran off of QuickBooks and a Google Calendar, which made things wildly inefficient. Having access to the scheduler, being able to see things in real time, work orders updating in real time has drastically improved probably all aspects of the service side of things. PO number lines and part order ship dates and things like that. So if a service coordinator or a technician needs to know what PO part was placed on, when the order was placed, I'm able to input that information onto the work order, whereas previously that type of stuff was unavailable to us. You can send things through an email and people are busy or doing something, email might get missed, but if I log in to Service Pro and look at the parts dashboard, anything that I might need to know is readily available.
The thing that's been most beneficial is the recommended service. It's a much quicker process. We're seeing a turnaround of 24 hours rather than 72, and we're not leaving it in technicians' hands. That minor change has been a massive efficiency for us. And we can offer a much wider range of a product to our customer because of that. The customization is as far as you're willing to take it. The expansion of what the software offers is seemingly endless, but the payoff is extraordinary.